What's happening, hardscapers? We are back on this project. Pergola is up. That means that we're moving. I'm going to show you a few things that we're tidying up, getting done, and we're going to wrap this up in a few days here. So let me walk you around and show you what we're doing. Okay, checklist of things to do. We straightened up the privacy screens. We glued the caps down. We're going to glue all of the caps going along here down. We added 2 lights here. So this was an actual addition that we went ahead and did. Just because we had to slope this up to meet the grade of the neighbor's yard there, and client didn't really like that, so we proposed, hey, we can do this wall here and save you that look. It does take away 12 inches of space from you, but that's basically the post there that we're taking away from you anyways. And now this is nice, sloping away from the swimming pool. It was already sloping away from the swimming pool, but then it sloped up, kind of creating a swale effect here to all slope towards me. Now it just pretty much slopes very slightly away from the pool, and then we'll have a permeable jointing compound that we'll be installing. That'll be the last thing that we do on this project to wrap things up. Once again, gluing everything. We cut in the caps for the pillars here. Got our lights all nice and flush where they need to be, so we can just glue the caps. And this wall is all complete. We started to drill in the safety pin anchors here. Testing all our lights. I got 1 light there that we need to cut in as well. There's some rock facing that we need to do on the side of each of these caps, some on the pillars over there as well. We cut in this garden little area here, so I'll actually install a concrete edge and then dig this out a little bit. There is a retaining wall on the side here, so that'll retain any soil that they're gonna put in there. And in between here, they wanna have some growth going up the privacy screens here. We got this light done. We cut in our cuts here, all just little tidying things up. We added concrete sand to raise the squadra. Because we did adhere the coping to the actual pool there with some mortar around the concrete, because the pool lip was good about 1 inch above the concrete. So a little bit of working around that there. We did go around and level a bunch. This was a concrete pad that we did for the actual hot tub. So that means we had to blend that into our slope a little bit. So we leveled everything here, added some concrete sand on top of the gator base to be able to level all of that. We also cut in around our Toya grid posts there. that took a little bit more time than I initially thought that it was going to take. And once again, just going through and leveling bit by bit, and we'll keep doing that for a little bit more, adding a little bit of concrete sand here and there. And then the last thing that we need to do is to be able to install all of this easy joint, and hopefully that's enough.